Fried rice is a dish that transforms the ordinary into the extraordinary. It takes leftover rice, often considered humble and simple, and elevates it into a culinary masterpiece. With just a few ingredients and a hot pan, you can create a flavorful and satisfying meal. This versatility is part of what makes fried rice so beloved by people all around the world. Fried rice is a testament to culinary creativity. It is a blank canvas for flavor, allowing you to experiment with different ingredients and seasonings to create your own unique variations. Whether you prefer your fried rice simple or complex, spicy or savory, there is a recipe out there for you. The beauty of fried rice lies in its simplicity. It is a dish that can be made by anyone, regardless of their cooking skills. With a little practice, you can master the art of making perfect fried rice every time. So, if you are looking for a delicious and versatile meal that is easy to make, look no further than fried rice. It is a dish that is sure to please everyone at the table. The origins of fried rice can be traced back to ancient China. It is believed to have originated during the Sui dynasty over 1400 years ago. Back then, it was a practical way to use up leftover rice, which was a staple food. Fried rice was a dish enjoyed by people of all social classes. It could be as simple as rice stir-fried with vegetables and soy sauce, or as elaborate as a dish containing meat, seafood, and exotic spices. As it spread throughout China, it began to take on regional variations, incorporating local ingredients and flavors. Through trade and cultural exchange, fried rice made its way to other parts of Asia. It was embraced in countries like Japan, Korea, Thailand, and Vietnam, each adding its unique twist to the dish. Today, fried rice is enjoyed in countless variations worldwide, a testament to its enduring appeal. From its humble beginnings as a way to avoid food waste, fried rice has become a global culinary icon. It is a dish that transcends cultures and generations, bringing people together through its delicious simplicity. To make delicious fried rice, you need a few key ingredients. The most important, of course, is rice. Day-old cooked rice is best because it has had time to dry out, resulting in a less sticky and more flavorful fried rice. Long-grain rice like jasmine or basmati is a good choice because it cooks up light and fluffy. Next, you need oil for stir-frying. Peanut oil is a popular choice because of its high smoke point, but other neutral-flavored oils like vegetable or canola oil work well too. The oil helps to prevent the rice from sticking to the pan and gives it a nice crispy texture. Eggs are another common ingredient in fried rice, adding richness and protein to the dish. They can be scrambled separately and added to the rice at the end, or cooked directly in the pan with the rice. Finally, you need aromatics and seasonings to give your fried rice its signature flavor. Garlic, ginger, and onions are a classic combination. Soy sauce, oyster sauce, and fish sauce add savory depth while a pinch of sugar balances out the saltiness. Now that you have your ingredients ready, let's get cooking. First, heat your wok or large skillet over high heat until it is very hot. Add a couple of tablespoons of oil, swirling to coat the bottom of the pan. Next, add your aromatics, like garlic, ginger, and onions, and stir-fry for a minute or two until fragrant. Then, add your protein, if using, and cook until browned. Now, it is time to add the rice. Spread it out in an even layer and let it cook undisturbed for a minute or two, allowing it to crisp up on the bottom. Then, use a spatula to break up the rice and stir-fry it with the other ingredients. Finally, push the rice to the sides of the pan and pour in your beaten eggs. Let them sit for a few seconds to set slightly, then scramble them into the rice. Stir in your seasonings, taste and adjust as needed, and garnish with chopped green onions or cilantro. Serve immediately, and enjoy.